Once upon a time, in a lush and magical jungle, there lived a young and curious tiger named Tala. Tala was not like the other tigers. Instead of being fierce and fearsome, she was gentle and kind. She had striking orange fur with beautiful black stripes and big, curious eyes that sparkled with intelligence. Each evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of pink and gold, Tala would find a cozy spot near a babbling brook. It was her favorite place in the jungle. There, she would gather all the animals, big and small, to share her bedtime stories. One evening, Tala began a new story, and the animals gathered around her with eager anticipation. She spoke in a soothing and melodious voice, making the jungle come alive with her words. Once upon a time, there was a wise old elephant named Elara. Elara had lived in the jungle for many years, and she knew its secrets better than anyone else. The other animals often came to her for advice and guidance. She was not the biggest or strongest in the jungle, but her wisdom made her a true leader. As Tala continued her story, the animals listened with rapt attention, swaying gently to the rhythm of her voice. They felt safe and comforted by Tala's presence, even the smaller animals who would have been afraid of a fierce tiger. Elara had a special gift, Tala continued. She could make the rain come when the jungle was thirsty, and she could calm the fiercest storms. But her greatest gift was her ability to bring all the animals together in times of need. She believed that unity was the true strength of the jungle. Tala's story reminded the animals of the importance of unity, kindness, and wisdom. They felt grateful for Tala and her stories, for they learned valuable lessons from her every evening. As the stars twinkled in the night sky, Tala finished her story, and the animals settled down to sleep, feeling safe and inspired. Tala watched over them, her gentle spirit shining as brightly as the moon. And so, in that magical jungle, Tala, the gentle tiger, became not just a storyteller but a beacon of kindness and unity. Her bedtime stories continued to bring the animals together, and the jungle thrived in harmony under her watchful eyes. Each night, they fell asleep with dreams filled with wisdom, kindness, and the beautiful world they called home.